But the word apostolos means someone who is sent out. The word can be used for an envoy or an ambassador. That is why the apostles were to be ambassadors for Christ to other people. And similarly, the Christian too is ever sent to be an ambassador for Christ, not only in word, but also in action. My dear friends, what kind of men were the original apostles of Jesus? Very ordinary mortals. Very ordinary mortals. There was no one who is wealthy or prominent or influential among them. Many of them had no special education. They did not study in the best universities. They were men of the common folk, just like us, ordinary men.